Never even think about landing on Pluto. The heat there would turn your breath into solid crystals in seconds, and the ice you think is solid ground could explode beneath your feet the moment you touch it with the warmth of your body. Welcome to a suicidal journey to the king of the Kuiper belt. We're talking about a 3.7 billion mile trip where Earth becomes a mere speck in a black sky. In this video, we'll experience something no human has ever done before. We'll face communication delays that will take 4.5 hours for a distress call to arrive, and we'll discover why this tiny world has a heart that beats like a giant lava lamp. Stay with us, because what lies beneath this ice could change everything you know about the possibility of life in the far reaches of the universe. Let's start with the harsh reality. Reaching Pluto is no walk in the park. The New Horizons spacecraft was the fastest object ever launched by humans, yet it took 9.5 years to arrive. If you travel using current chemical technologies, you'll age inside your capsule. But science now proposes the direct drive fusion engine, which could deliver a ton of payload in just 4 years and provide megawatts of electrical power upon arrival. As you approach, you'll be struck by a familiar sight. The sky is blue. Yes, Pluto has a complex atmosphere that scatters sunlight in a way similar to Earth's. This blue haze is caused by tholins, organic molecules that form in the upper atmosphere and then fall like red snow, covering vast areas of the surface. Upon landing, you'll find yourself in Sputnik Planitia, the giant basin that forms the left lobe of Pluto's core. The land here isn't rock, but a vast sea of solid nitrogen ice, extending 4 kilometers deep. This ice is soft enough to flow like rivers, and it carries on its surface enormous icebergs of frozen water that float on top of the nitrogen because they are less dense. Herein lies the real danger. Pluto's gravity is only 0.06 times that of Earth. If you weigh 100 pounds, you'll feel like you weigh only 7 pounds. But the danger isn't in the buoyancy, it's in the sublimation. Your warm spacesuit will heat the nitrogen ice beneath your feet, and due to the extremely low atmospheric pressure, 1 Pascal, the ice will instantly turn to gas without passing through the liquid state. This will create jets of gas under your boots that could cause you to slip uncontrollably or lose your balance completely. To survive, you must live off the resources of Earth, ISRU. Pluto isn't poor. Its mountains are made of rock-solid water ice. You can extract this ice and use electrolysis to produce oxygen for breathing and hydrogen for fuel. 2H2O yields 2H2 plus O2. By combining this hydrogen with the abundant methane in the atmosphere, you can create rocket fuel for the return journey. You're walking on top of a cosmic fuel station, but the challenge is thermal management. Without active cooling, your body will die from the heat trapped inside the suit, even at temperatures as low as 230 degrees Celsius. If you look up at the sky, you'll see Charon, Pluto's largest moon. It's so massive that it forms a double planet orbiting a point of empty space. Charon never rises or sets. It's always suspended in one spot in the sky due to tidal locking. Charon appears about 8 times larger than Earth's moon, and at midday on Pluto, the light is just enough to read and see clearly in what scientists call Pluto time. The real wonder lies beneath the surface. Data suggests that an ancient collision that created Sputnik Planitia exposed a liquid ocean hidden 100 kilometers deep beneath the ice. This ocean is 8% salt, which explains the deep geological fractures on the surface. Imagine that. In the coldest place in the solar system, warm liquid water protected from cosmic radiation by a thick layer of ice. Could Pluto be an ocean world, hiding the seeds of life far from sunlight? Traveling to Pluto is a test of human willpower. It's a journey that demands a decade of isolation and immense psychological stress due to the profound distance from home. But ultimately, Pluto is not a lifeless rock. It's a geologically active world, with volcanoes that spew ice instead of lava and subsurface oceans that defy logic. Exploring Pluto is humanity's first step toward becoming an interstellar civilization. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe and check out the channel to find more amazing and new videos.